The MacBook Pro is an expensive investment, and of course you want to protect it from impacts. As the device is susceptible to getting scratched or even worse, drooling and spilled liquids, so what could be better than a case? Well, here we have got the top 5 best MacBook Pro cases that are durable enough to protect it from unexpected faults.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Protective cases stand between your premium investment and impacts. So, grab the TYTX leather case that offers wraparound protection and better using experience. Coming with a 13 to 16 inches design, this case is made of high-quality PU leather and soft microfiber to keep the exterior safe from scratches while providing a gentle and smooth touch. From outside to inside, it's designed to keep your Mac on all sides and also gives you easy access to all the ports that your MacBook has. Besides, there are vents on the bottom for good ventilation and protecting the laptop from overheating. Keeping safety in mind, it has a versatile stand function that you can use to adjust the angle according to your needs, bringing more comfortable working experience. This MacBook Pro case also has a pocket to keep papers, documents, or files, allowing you to keep your important documents near to you while you're traveling with your Mac. All in all, if you're looking for a leather case for your expensive MacBook Pro to keep it safe from all sides while ensuring a luxurious look, then you can grab the TYTX leather case blindly. Deter every drop like a pro with the Subcase Unicorn Beetle series, a rugged all-in-all protective case that can withstand every impact like a pro. Constructed with military-certified thermoplastic polyurethane material, its unique shock-absorbing wraparound bumper provides supreme protection during drops and falls. Its precise cut and design allow easy access to all ports, sensors, speakers, cameras, and all functions, to ensure you can get your job done without putting off the case. On the bottom, the raised rubber cushions are designed for good heat dissipation to prevent overheating during working time. Beyond that, the transparent case cover allows your MacBook Apple logo to be visible and has up to 16-inch size for the latest MacBook Pro series. From top to bottom, give your MacBook Pro a 360-degree protection with the Subcase Unicorn Beetle series by spending less than $40. Do you need a robust case that also acts as a stand? Then, meet the ProCase MacBook 14, another durable case on our list that provides protection against accidental scuffs, drops, scratches, and other damages. Constructed from heavy-duty armor shell with carefully engineered shock-absorbent wraparound bumper to ensure complete safety from all the daily impacts. Its no-cut design shines Apple logo through the case, while you can get quick access to every port and feature without removing the case. The included foldable stand provides an ergonomic typing angle and a better visual experience. At the same time, this case is fully vented for better heat disbursement. All in all, stay worry-free while traveling with your MacBook Pro, as the ProCase MacBook Pro 14 has got you covered with its bendable stand that ensures perfect viewing and working angle. Let's welcome the Maciso's plastic hot case that even comes with a screen protector and a keyboard cover so that your MacBook is covered thoroughly and completely. It matches whichever exterior color you choose, and like most MacBook cases, it's made from durable plastic and features an anti-slip rubberized coating, providing durability and beauty simultaneously. During working time, your MacBook will produce some heat, and you don't have to worry at all, as it can vent away all the heat completely. Also, you can get hassle-less access to all the ports and features. From 13 inches to 16 inches, this Maciso case has a series that gives you a vast option to choose from the available options. Installation is super simple. All you have to do is unpack it and then attach them on your MacBook Pro carefully, and you're done. In summary, the Macizo protective case may look like an ordinary case, but its rugged material with rubberized coating makes it durable enough to keep the glossy look of MacBook Pro last long. Okay, coming to the final product, we've got the Pilo series from UAG, an overall best impact-proof case that can give your MacBook an overall protection. The tactile non-slip grip helps deter drops and secure handling, while the impact-resistant bumpers around the edges protect your MacBook Pro just in case. Its armor shell with impact-resistant softcore bumpers and dual locks secure the stunning screen closure, while nicely curved design for all the ports and other features stay always visible for your daily use. The bottom of the case is vented for super airflow, ensuring your MacBook Pro never gets overheated during a heavy workload. So, if you're looking for some rugged protection for your MacBook Pro, then UAG Pilo series is the way to go. So, these were the top 5 best MacBook Pro cases just for you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.